InstantAgency is a cloud-based app that builds highly profitable agency sites, finds local business leads, and solve real business problems in few clicks. Now let me show you how InstantAgency works in minutes. First thing you need to do is to log in to access InstantAgency. Once you enter your email and your password, you click on the login button, which takes you to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see some stats here which shows the traffic coming to your agency site, the total email sent, and the total leads that you've acquired using InstantAgency. So the very first thing you want to do on this platform is to go to the lead search. This is actually where you uncover thousands of local businesses that you can offer services to. This software actually tell you the kind of services you can offer to them, like it diagnose their business and tell you the problems they're having and how you can also provide a solution to them. So now you just need to enter a keyword here. You can enter any keyword of any local businesses. So just let's say we want to go with plumber. You can click on plumber or type it there. Then come to location. Now you can type the location in case you want to target, maybe you want to target people in your locality. You can just enter the address there. So in this case, I will enter California. So can you see that? Click on California, USA. Then the kilometer, the distance between where you are right now and where you want to reach this client. So you can just enter the radius there, maybe 5, 10. So put 10 there, and you click on the search button. It's as simple as that. Uncovering thousands of leads, just one click. Okay, as you can see, these are local businesses in this area, California. As you can see, the name, the business name, the address, the website, the phone number. Now look at this person doesn't have a website, so you can offer a website services to them. So not just that alone, so the next thing, you come to this place and select local business leads that actually has email, because we don't want you to do any cold calling. It's up to you, you can decide to call them, but then we have done for you template emails that you can just send to these local businesses and get them as your client. So that way you have to select ask email, and once you're done with that, just click on the search button. So once you filter with email, it will only show leads that has email address. As you can see, the emails are there. And you can see their ratings. This one has 5/5, this one 4.6/5, which shows they're doing good. So you have access to the business name, the address, their website, their phone number, and also their email address. And you can see if they are open for business or they've closed for business. So now, once you go through these thousands of leads, all you have to do to add them to your campaign is to click on this plus button, and it adds to campaign, meaning you want to work with this client. So if I click on the plus, okay, you can see add campaign successfully. So it means this lead has been added to our campaign. So I can decide to add this other one too. You click on it, it adds the campaign, it adds the lead to our campaign as well. So from the campaign menu, you can now work on this client. So the first thing to do is to go to campaign. So once you click on campaign, you're going to see all the leads that you've added to your campaign. You can see the last two which I just added, these two businesses. And once you come to this side, now you can work with them. You can decide to delete them, you can decide to send them email, and you can decide to copy their URL so that you can diagnose their website and see what they are having issues with. That way you can know if their website is not fully optimized, if they have meta tags issues. You can detect all the issues they're having on their site using InstantAgency as well. So first thing, if you want to send them an email to offer these services, it's just a simple click. Once you click on send email, it brings out a pop-up where you can select the template from our done for you Once you select the template, enter the subject, and then once you select the template, automatically it fills in the subject and message body. And once that is done, you can just click on submit. It sends the mail to the client automatically. So that's also how to message your clients without leaving InstantAgency. And not just that alone, you have to diagnose their website first to know the kind of services they will need. So you can just click on the copy URL. And once you copy the URL, you come to SEO audit tools and you click on SEO tools. SEO audit tool brings you to this page, so you can just paste the website. Just right click and click on paste. You can see the website is pasted automatically, and you click on the review button. In one click, InstantAgency is going to analyze SEO issues of this website, so you know the kind of services to offer this business. So it's still loading, as you can see. So now, once it's done with the audition, you can see the all issues the website is having. As you can see, passed 60%, errors 40%, to improve is there. So you can now scroll down to see what to work on and what to improve. You can see the SEO part, you can see usability here. You can either click from here, you can see length 22 characters, rates your website as a favicon, custom error 404 page. Can you see that? You can see the speed. If the speed is very slow, then you see like here it says speed is slow. So you can optimize their website for them and charge them for website optimization to improve the speed of their website. There are a lot of plugins that can do that, and you can as well access all these services on Fiverr. If you click on mobile, you see if the site is mobile friendly. As you can see, oh no, this page is not mobile friendly. So your mobile friendly score is 0/100. So you can decide to build a mobile site for them as well. Technologies. Okay, so you can go on and on and on. Social media, you can check if they have social media presence. As you can see, 0. You can decide to offer social media management service to this business as well and help them get customers to their business. Traffic rank or global rank. You see, so at the end of the day, it provides you full details about the website, and then you can either download it as a PDF. Click on download report, be able to download this whole report in PDF, which you can send alongside your email when you are sending message under the campaign. So once you're done with the SEO updating, now another thing a customer can ask you is that, do you have a website? So InstantAgency comes with agency site builder that allows you to build your own agency site in minutes. All you have to do is just to click on the create website. So click on create website, you give your website a name, then the subdomain. If you want to use InstantAgency subdomain, that is your name.installagency.co, so you make use of this option. But if you have your own domain name that you want to link directly, you want to point to your agency site, then you can just type it here, maybe www.vkmedia.com. But if you don't have that, you can just make use of the website store. Just put in your website name that you want to use, VK Media, and automatically you're going to have a website called vkmedia.instantAgency.co. Now once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is to select any of the templates available here. Once you click on the select template, the next thing is to click on the submit button. Upload your logo. At the end of the day, you fill in all this section. Once you're done, you click on the submit button, and by doing that, your website is being created for you automatically. It's as simple as ABC. So let's view the website that have been created before. Now these are example of websites, so let me just view it so you can see. So now this is an example of a template, as you can see. So you can build this type of website as well. So another feature I'm going to talk about is the task. Now under task, you can add any local business task you're working on currently into a calendar. So if you click on view calendar, you see the number of days that we have there. Now this beautiful calendar allows you to allocate days and time to local businesses you want to render services to. So you know the days you're occupied and the days you're free. All you have to do is just to come to the calendar and then you can add a task. You can add a task from here, enter the task title, the priority, then description, the start date, the end date, and once you're done, you click on the submit button. Now, you can as well do that from the campaign section. If you click on the campaign, come to this side, you can see add to task. If you add to task, it's automatically filling the client's details. You can see the client's name, address, phone number, their email address, and then the details, description, priority, start dates, and the end dates of the project. And you click on submit. That's how to add a task. So it's as simple as ABC. Thank you for watching.